This segment of Coastlife is sponsored by Benvenuto.
Coastlife, we're serving up flavor, flair, and fresh ingredients at Benvenuto in Milford. I'm here with Chef Zeus Gordani. How are you doing today?
Good. How you doing, Miss Kendall?
I'm doing good. So we have our dish of the week today. Tell me, what is it?
Yes. So, look, summer's here. So what we wanted to do was prepare really nice seared diver scallops. We're going to serve them over this beautiful tomato and corn salad. So what we're going to do is, first and foremost, is we're going to get those scallops seared.
Yes.
Now, you need a really hot pan, all right? Good oil and lots of butter so we can baste it. Perfect dry scallops, all right? Now, for the accompaniment for this dish is this salad. So what we're going to do is we're going to use some fresh local corn that we just shucked, all right? We're going to just add some of this corn to this. And I like these pieces like that. See, it shows you, hey, these guys are using fresh corn. Okay, so some corn. We have some tomatoes coming to us out of New Jersey, which, hey, we love our neighbors, right?
Yes.
All right, we have some onion here. All right, some nice red onion. I love red onion. I know a lot of guys and gals aren't big on onions. I just love a good fresh red onion. All right, we're going to use some green onion here. All right, now, real simple. We're going to use a little salt. Okay. All right, because you need salt, right?
Yeah.
And look, I always say salt and pepper is to food what crayons are to a coloring book. Right?
I love that.
I mean, think about it. That's where the color is.
That's so true.
All right, so some black pepper, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to tie this together with some of our tomato vinaigrette.
Oh, that looks delicious.
So in some of our dishes here, we roast these tomatoes off, sits in a beautiful vinaigrette, and that's what we have here. Okay, so we're just going to add a little bit of this tomato vinaigrette, all right? We're going to give this a nice little toss. See those beautiful colors?
That is very beautiful.
Right? And the thing is, while we're preparing this salad too, we have to make sure it tastes good, all right? So we're going to give it a little taste test, all right? So one for you, one for me.
Thank
I
you.
always just taste this corn. If the corn's good,
And the corn's good.
and that was perfectly seasoned, right? First try. So you know what we're going to do now is we're going to plate this up, all right? So we're going to go to the pass here. I'm going to show you how this is plated, all right?
Awesome. Let's go. All right, Zeus, I think I'm all ready to plate this up.
Yes. All right, so here's what we're going to do, all right? So these are our scallops that we seared. See how beautiful these look, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to take this salad here, and watch how simple this is. And again, I love playing with colors.
Yes.
And this is perfect for summer. See all those beautiful colors we have in there? So we're just going to do our salad as a base like that, okay? We are then going to come over here to these beautiful diver scallops.
Oh, look at that.
We're going to set these right on top here, okay? And then our secret weapon here is we're going to just hit it with a little more of this tomato vinaigrette that we have. And for good measure, right out of our Benvenuto garden, we're going to add some fresh basil for that summer pop.
That looks
right.
absolutely beautiful.
And look at that.
Look at that.
I mean, that's summer on a plate, isn't it?
That is, and it was like really quick to put together too.
It is. You know, and Kendall, here's the thing. I feel that the best cooking is simple cooking.
Yeah.
Right? And that's what we love here at Coastlife. Just good, simple dishes. Not only that you can come in and try, but maybe some of the guests can make it home.
For
All right?
sure.
But there you have it. Seared diver scallops with a summer corn and tomato salad.
That looks
Tomato
delicious.
vinaigrette.
That's
Awesome.
awesome.
Yes.
So what inspired you to create this dish?
You know what? I get inspiration from everywhere. Sometimes I may see another chef that I follow, maybe just do something, but I like to keep things as simple as possible. All right, because when food is too over pretentious or there's too many steps or, you kind of lose people.
Yes.
Me, I like a good, a good steak or a good scallop. I don't want a lot of things to mask the flavor of that scallop, and that does exactly the opposite here. So we just have the salad with the corn stand on its own, the scallops stand on their own, and then somehow that tomato vinaigrette just pulls them together.
Yes, Coastlife, all these colors, all the flavors complement each other so well. And Zeus, I know this Friday you have a Summer Slaughter Beach Murder Mystery Dinner.
Yes.
Tell me all about this event.
So look, $75, all right? And we have Lightfoot Productions out of Lewis. They're gonna come out. 6 actors, and they're just amazing. They do a really good job. So it's themed with, Slaughter Beach right down the road. If you haven't done any of these murder mystery dinners, I would suggest coming out and just trying it out. It's awesome.
Yeah.
We're going to have an amazing menu. And again, dinner and the show, $75 this Friday. Go on our website and make your reservations.
Awesome. Go check them out, make their reservations. If they don't do a reservation, can they also walk in or?
I would definitely make a reservation.
Definitely make a reservation. Go check them out. But Coastlife, I want to take you back to the food one last time so you can get one last good look at it. It is so good and very fun. Look at all those colors. Yes, but you know what else is fun is Coastlife. There is more of that coming up.